guys, so welcome back. We took a couple of days off just because we have had quite a busy schedule. So we had the Rock Performance Dyno Day. Yesterday, and then we had some family stuff going on, work in general, so we took a couple days off from working on the truck, but we're back now. We're just stripping the bed, so the straight up wire brushing on the paint was taking a lot longer, so what we've done is we've gone and got the Proform? Yeah, Proform aircraft stripper. It comes out like a booger, but it works exceptionally well, so you just kind of pour it on, make a nice glob. And then this is like a dollar store paintbrush. Just a cheap paintbrush, and you just kind of smudge it.
You what?
Smudge it. Smudge it around. You give it like 15 minutes usually, and you'll actually see it start to bubble. What we'll do is I'll keep doing this. In about 15 minutes or so, we'll come back. And then from there, you just wipe it down, because you don't want it flying everywhere, because this shit will burn your skin. Realistically, I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. I already got some on my thinner.
On your what?
On my thinner. We're gonna do the whole bed, and then we'll come back. It's been about, what, 20 minutes?
Yep.
Give or take 20 minutes. We let it sit, and I'm just trying to wipe up the excess now. And as you can see, it's actually, even just the cloth is pulling up paint. For those who have wondered, does aircraft stripper work very good? The answer is yes, it does. So for noise, I'm gonna use my little drill. So we'll go right here in the middle where there's still a fair bit of paint. So there's paint, dirt paint, and primer right here. Now it's bare metal.
With no effort.
No effort, that's pretty easy. A lot better than trying to like wire wheel straight paint with nothing on it. This shit is like stripper on steroids. Hey, I'm now a stripper.
On steroids?
No, I'm not on steroids, but I am on OnlyFans. So now that part's done. Well, my fly's down. I'm gonna hit it again with the Proform aircraft stripper. Let it sit for another 15 minutes, and then we'll be able to go through with the drill and clean it all up, make it look pretty. And then it's ready for Rhino Liner, Gator. Gator Guard II. Not sponsored, just bought it at Lordco. Done. Fuck. K-truck or key truck?
I think it's key.
I think it's K.
I think it's key.
I like
K-E-I?
But everybody says K-truck.
I know, but it's a key truck.
It's a K-truck.
It's cute.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright.
Key truck.
Key truck. So welcome back to part 2 of our, that's 4. Welcome back to part 2 of our YouTube series where we are prepping and painting the key truck. So we're done wire wheeling the bed. Last night on the live we decided to paint it, or prime it, sorry. We degreased it, which took a long time. Again, we didn't get that done on camera because we were doing that on the live. It was a nightmare. And then we primed, again on live, not on camera. But those steps you don't really need to see. I'm sure you can figure that out. Now it's ready to be Gator Guarded. So in the process of what we've done so far, we have used Final Wash, which is our degreaser and cleaner before spraying color or prime. We have used a variety of primers, high build, etchable, right? Filler primers. 2 rolls, 4 rolls of paper towel, a lot of masks, rubber gloves. We're gonna be using Gator Guard II. This stuff is shit, I'll tell you guys it's shit. A shitty mask that was apparently good for COVID, but not good for paint. 2 floofy rollers. I would have bought longer ones if I were you, a little longer but thinner.
Not good.
That's what I would have done. You were thinking girth, I'm thinking depth.
It's not about the size of it, it's how you use it.
Not the motion of the ocean, it's the size of the boat or whatever. That's the second time I fucked that up. Anyway, we're gonna get started. We're back. We had a mistake last time. You accidentally got, I didn't do it, white bed liner instead of black bed liner. And then she's like, yeah, but we could paint it. It's like, yeah, but we could also just exchange it and get the right stuff and then not have to paint it, right, Shy?
Yeah.
Dumbass. Unreal. Anyway, to be fair, no. We got the right stuff. It's black. That's what we need. Okay? It's a 50-50 mixture. Do your best if you're trying this at home. I'm just gonna take another big blob. That's probably all we need for the mini truck. It's not a very big area. Oh fuck, do we need like a egg beater? A blender?
No.
No, you think I can mix those by hand?
It says you can use the stick.
What stick?
Probably your screwdriver.
I guess. That's what we're gonna have to use. And this stuff smells like actual, like shit. It smells like a waste treatment plant. Anyway, it's at 300. So let's go up to 600. A bit under 3, so we'll go to a bit under 6. Yeah, we'll call that good.
Mix for 10 minutes.
Mix for 10 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, buddy, we're taking turns.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. We're gonna mix this. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, I think. My arm's fucking feeling like it's been 10 minutes. Maybe it's been a minute. I don't know, but it looks like a good consistency. So it's I don't know, thick. It's thick but moist. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pour it out onto the bed. Bert and I are gonna throw some gloves on. I already got mine on. And then we're gonna roll it and try to keep it very, very clean. Right, Shai?
Yeah.
We're not gonna rush it or half-ass it. We're gonna whole-ass it. Ron Swanson, let's get her done. Oh yeah, sure. Alright, we're done. So we got it rolled on. Now it's gonna dry. It looks alright though. Looks good. It's gonna protect the bed. That's the most important part. So got that done. Gonna put all of our stuff away. And then when we get our side panels, our side rails, and our headache rack sandblasted, we can repeat the process with that. So Kanjo K-Truck is one step closer.